Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Turbo 3, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I get started, I want to mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set on your device that you just don't know. And to get started, all you need to do is on the lock screen, hold your power button. There we go, swipe up. Now I don't have any lock screen, so it automatically just unlocked the device, but typically you would just be able to still swipe up to turn off the device. And once it's off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see the Redmi logo on the screen, let go of the power button. In a moment, we will be taken to the recovery mode, at which point you want to let go of the volume up as well. And then using volume down once, you want to select wipe data, confirm it using power button, and select wipe all data the same way. Confirm. Give it a moment. As you can see, data wipe successfully. So we're going to press power button, power button, power button, and this will now reboot the device, continue resetting it, and once it's finished, we will be presented with the setup screen for our phone. And there we go, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.